Good morning, students. Welcome back to online classes of St. Thomas School, Standard 7, Subject Maths. In the exercise 9.1, up to question number 6, we have completed. Now let's see question number 7. Rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form. First one, minus 8 upon 6. Okay, this is the number. You have to convert into the simplest form. So what you have to do, you have to divide this numerator and denominator with the highest common factor with the HCF. So what is the highest common factor among this, between this 8 and 6? That is a 2. So divide 8 minus 8 and 6 with 2. So you will get minus 4 upon 3. That is the answer. Second one, 25 and 45. HCF is 5. Or directly also you can say, you can divide this 25 by 5 only and 45 by 5. So divide 25 and 45 with 5. So answer is 5 upon 9. Then minus 44 upon 72. So this 44, that is you can divide by 4, and 72, that is also divisible by 4. Okay, so after division you will get minus 11 upon 18. That is the answer. Last one in the homework. Now question number 8. Fill in the boxes with the correct symbol out of less than, greater than and equal. First one, minus 5 upon 7 and 2 upon 3. So your answer, that is minus 5 upon 7, is less than 2 upon 3 because this is a negative number and this one is a positive. So here it is written the positive number if greater than the negative number. All this positive number is always greater than the negative number. Then second one, minus 4 upon 5 and minus 5 upon 7. Both the numbers are negative. Both the fractions are negative. But here you can see the denominators are different. So directly you can't say that first one or second one is greater than any of the number. First of all, you have to make their denominators equivalent by finding the LCM. So LCM of denominator 5 and 7. Okay, here it is given. So what is the LCM of 5 and 7? It's a 35. So try to make the 35 and the denominator. So here minus 4 upon 5 given. If you want 35 in the denominator, then here this fraction you have to multiply by 7, numerator and denominator both. Here minus 5 upon 7 given. So if you want 35 in the denominator, then you have to multiply by 5. So here it is given. After multiplication, you will get minus 28 upon 35 and minus 25 upon 35. Now you can say this minus 28 upon 35 is smaller than minus 25 upon 35. 28 is not greater than 25. Here you have to consider this negative sign. So as you move towards the left hand side of the this number line, you will move towards the smaller number. You are moving towards the smaller number. So remember the number line. In the number line, 20 minus 25, it comes earlier. Then it comes minus 28. So minus 25 is greater than minus 28. Understood? Let me repeat. If both the numbers are same, then you have to find out the LCM of the denominator. Then make the denominator same and then see. Then you compare both the fractions. If they both are negative, then you have to see the number line. You have to imagine the number line. And if both the numbers are positive, then directly you can see. The next one, minus 7 upon 8 and 14 upon 16. Minus 16. So this minus 16 you can write with the numerator. It means with the 14. Okay. Find out the LCM. LCM is 16. Here 8 and 16. LCM of this 8 and minus 16 is a, sorry, this minus 16 is given. So this will be plus and here you have to put the minus sign. So it's a plus 16 now. And LCM of 8 and 16 is 16. So here already 16 is given in the denominator. You want 16 here in the denominator, so you have to multiply by 2. Okay. So it's a minus 14 upon 16 and here minus 14 upon 16. Both are equal. Then same thing you have to follow for the remaining examples. That remaining examples are in the homework. Question number 9. Which is greater in each of the following? First one, 2 upon 3, 5 upon 2. Same thing you have to repeat here. Here you have to put the symbol and here it is asked to find out the greater number. So same method you have to follow as we have done here in the question number 8. Find out the LCM of 2 and 3. Okay, you have to make them equal. So 2 and 3, what is the LCM? 6. So try to make 6 here in the denominator. So you have to multiply by 2 and 3 here in the first fraction with 2 and in the second fraction with 3. So you will get here 4 upon 6 and 15 upon 6. Okay, so 4 upon 6 is smaller than this 15 upon 6. In short, 5 upon 2 or 15 upon 6. This is a greater. Understood? This same thing you have to repeat for each and every example. Remaining examples are in a homework. Now question number 10. Write the following rational numbers in ascending order. First one, minus 3 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5. So minus 3, that is smaller, then minus 2 and then minus 1. Next, 1 upon 3, minus 2 upon 9 and minus 4 upon 9. So what you have to do? Converting into same denominator. So here 9 is given. So remaining other two fractions you have to convert in the same denominator. It means you want 9. So you have to multiply with a 3. 1 upon 3 multiplying by 3. So it will be 3 upon 9. This minus 2 upon 9 as it is. This minus 4 upon 3 multiplying by 3. So it will be minus 12 upon 9. Now it's easy. Smallest number is minus 12 upon 9. So first of all write this one. Then it comes minus 2 upon 9. And then it's a 3 upon 9. So minus 12 upon 9. What is the number? Original number. In the simple form, that is a minus 4 upon 3. Then minus 2 upon 9 as it is. And 3 upon 9, that is a 1 upon 3. So this is the right answer. Now this third one is in the homework. Try yourself. What you have to do? You have to find out LCM. Let me tell the LCM. LCM is 28. Okay. Now you can do yourself. Now this exercise 9.2 we will start in the next lecture. Thank you.